In reverential memory of late President and scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, TERRE Policy Center instituted the scheme for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Young Research Fellowship with the aim of distinguishing young researchers from India with extraordinary promise and creativity who have made notable research contributions in the field of environment protection. However, this fellowship has been solely managed and funded by TERRE. Now let's have eyes on eligibility for this fellowship. The fellowship of an academic medal to a young researcher shall be made in recognition of notable contributions or having measurable impact on the protection or overall improvement of the environment based on work carried out in India. Any undergraduate masters in any of the field or appearing, for example MSc, MA, ME and PhD or appearing shall be eligible for the fellowship. The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Young Research Fellowship, considered to be the highest recognition of promise, creativity and excellence in a young researcher, is made annually to those distinguished for these attributes as evidenced by their research work carried out in India. Following is an indicative but not exhaustive list of work areas concerned are plastic, clean air, agriculture and technology and innovation. Any citizen of India who has not attained the age of 25 years on 31st December of the year preceding the year of fellowship shall be eligible for the fellowship. Fellowship awarded will be up to rupees 25,000 only and minimum fellowship amount will be rupees 10,000 only along with a certificate. Adequate publicity shall be given to invite applications for the prize each year. The total period of inviting nominations shall be 19 days from the date of registration starts. However, publication of the advertisement may be in advance. Besides publishing advertisement in the prominent newspapers for adequate publicity, a circular inviting application shall also be sent to all colleges and universities of India. Keep in mind that before registration submission, please download template for brief project description and fill all the necessary details and upload template. This is the registration link and this link is also present in the description box. And last date for registration is 16 January 2024. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Have a good day.